Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key, the realtor from BG, and I'm coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's local market update, we are covering Wood County Northeast. That is everything north of US 6 and east of State Route 25, excluding Perrysburg Township, Northwood, Rossford, and Lake Township, as well as Bowling Green, Ohio. So digging right in to the data here, we are seeing some positive signs for this area, meaning there are plenty of new listings coming on, but still not enough to suffice demand. And what we're looking at here is the amount of new listings from the same time last year has doubled, so we have 10 versus 5. But pending and closed sales continue to go up as well, so a lot of this new inventory is getting eaten right up. This is causing days on market to dwindle down, and also it continues to allow the median sale price to increase. Now, we are seeing the average sale price decrease, but that could be because of a few variables. It could be because a lot of the listings that we're seeing this year versus last year are in a lower price point than they were last year. So what's more important is to look at the median sale price, and that kind of gives us the health of the market. Most of the listings that have listed right now have received almost full asking, and currently we are sitting at 2.6 months of inventory. What that means is we still have a seller's market in Northeast Wood County. In order to be at equilibrium, there should be between 4 and 6 months of inventory right now in order to suffice the amount of demand that we have for housing. And part of what's causing this is, again, Corona. And then secondly, many people that have contemplated making a move have put it off because they're really not finding something that they'd want to move into. Others that have thought about moving decided, hey, you know what, we're just going to stay put. It's a great time to refi. They've refinanced their houses. They're not making the move like they should. And then also new construction has gone down significantly because of the cost of materials and cost of labor. So when we're looking at that trifecta, we're seeing a lot of underserved people in this area, and what it's doing is it's driving real estate prices up. Here's the median sales price for single-family homes over the past 10 years or so, and as we can see, this is kind of pre-crash and this is post-crash. The market in a whole is doing really, really well. Now, it's normal to see dips and valleys, peaks and valleys in the market. But to see a big major crash like some people are thinking is going to happen, it's not happening, folks. I hate to be the bearer of bad news for those of you that are relying on this. It's probably not going to happen. And the reason why it's not going to happen is because our economy is still doing really, really well. We have more jobs than people to fill them right now. It's driving the cost of labor up. Even the most unskilled, cheapest labor that used to exist before at $6, $7, $8 an hour, good luck touching that under 12 right now. And what that's going to do is that's going to increase the cost of goods. And as the cost of goods goes up, we're going to have to also pay people more in order to keep them employed in more difficult jobs. So it's just going to have an ancillary effect in our economy, and what that looks like as inflation. And as inflation does its thing, we will continue to see real estate values go up, is my prediction. In addition to that, in order to control inflation, one of the only and best tools the government has is to increase interest rates. So what we're also likely to see in the not-so-distant future is higher interest rates as well as higher real estate prices. So if you're a buyer right now, now's your chance to make a good deal. Although it may not seem that way, I promise you now is your chance to make a good deal. Give us a call today. We'd love to talk to you about how we've managed to save our clients thousands, even in a competitive market like today. And if you are a seller, please give us a call. I'm really getting annoyed with all the posts from people out there bragging about how they sold their house in less than 24 hours. Folks, if you've done that, you've done either yourself or your clients any service whatsoever, because the market right now is sold the house in less than 24 hours. And the reason why it sold that quickly is because it was underpriced. In order to get the absolute most for your home, It needs to be on the market for a certain amount of time. It really does. And that's how we attract the best buyer for the house. Give us a call today. Love to set up a strategy meeting and talk to you about your goals and how we can best achieve them for you. Outside of that, it's been an absolute pleasure. This has been Jim T. with Key, the realtor from BG, signing off from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. If you've liked the content that you've seen today, please make sure you like our page and subscribe to our channel. That way you do not miss out on any future content. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we look forward to serving you soon. Have a great day.